Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I posted a video yesterday saying that you guys should drop some questions in the comment section. So I have a lot of questions to answer. So let me just start with the questions. How you cook chicken back? Just like how you cook chicken. How did you meet Jason? I met Jason 2 years ago just by saying hi. And then after that we start texting and all of that. How much is Jason net worth? I wasn't paying attention to that. What is my team? I think they mean my World Cup team. Germany. What do you like about Reza and when did you guys first meet? We met in Maypen, and the thing I like about Jason is honesty. He's very honest. Very honest. Do you miss Bella? I miss Bella a lot. How much percent do you love Jason and why? I'm gonna put a percentage to it. I really love Jason. And not even love, I respect Jason. Trust me. And when I respect somebody, like, love and everything will fall into place. Do you want a child with Jason? Of course, children. What country / city have you dreamed of going the most and why? Honestly, I've never thought about that. But now thinking about it, I'd really like to visit Paris. How do you feel about YouTube? This is a very good question. I love YouTube because it helps to build self-confidence. Because to sit down in front of one camera and talk about stuff or put together your content and all of that, it is very hard. Trust me. Even though I just start, but it's hard. It takes a lot of confidence because you will worry about what somebody else think and all of that. And get a taste of everything what happening in the world. What is your biggest goal you want to reach? A well-accomplished life. What's your favorite color? Purple. I love purple. And any nude color, but I really love purple. How long have you been natural? My hair under this is natural. And I think it's like 3 years. But don't judge me. I always put chemical in my ear and then I have to cut it and all of that. So it don't have much length, but I am natural. My birthday, the 10th of February. How you meet Jason? I said that earlier. When you and Reza is going to have a baby, it's not a thing that we sit down and plan. But when it happens, it just happens. And if it happens, you guys will know. What's your favorite movie? I think it's Love and Basketball. What keeps you motivated? The mere fact that I am not where I want to be, that is my biggest motivation. To be honest, I'm not even halfway where I want to be in life. Not even half. But it's coming on. It's coming on. How old are you? I'm 21 years old. Are you a virgin? Bruh. What's your favorite food? My favorite food is rice and peas with anything at all. How do you deal with negativity? I just try to ignore them. I don't do anything at all. Because the moment when you start feel like always I try to deal with it or I try to respond or all of that, it just starts to take over your entire life. So you just ignore it. That's what I do and it works. Trust me, it works. How do you feel about Reza going to be your baby daddy? I feel very good. Hopefully, I pray about it because everybody have them ups and downs. Nobody don't know what the future holds, but I feel very good because Jason is a very nice person, honestly. How does it feel living with your boyfriend? It feels good at times, to be honest. It feels very good because you have somebody where you can always talk to, a shoulder to lean on. It feels very good. How many kids do you want to have? I want to have 3 children. 3. 2 girls and 1 boy. What keeps you going even in a dull moment? My everyday struggles. Same thing as what keeps me motivated. I'm not where I want to be. So I always push, like I always say, Andra, this is not the life you want to be living. I'm not talking about my relationship, but I always say this is not the life you want to be living. So I always like get up and do what I have to do. Sometimes I get really lackadaisical and all of that, but I try my best to just push. What inspired you to start your own YouTube channel. To be honest, my boyfriend inspired me because I always observe him. I put out what him energy to get contents together and everything. It's not a case where him talk me night because him have him own channel. No. Him never yet say, Angel, you need to start a channel because I have a channel and because there's nothing like that. I just see him, I do him thing, I just like it and I admire him for that. I just say, alright then, one day I go on my own channel. And him always say, alright, whenever you're ready then, me help you out and all of that. And I was say, no, not today, not today. But I just admire him because him always put out the energy, and I see him come from nothing, like from less than 100 and come straight up, and like everything I work out for him now. And it just made me feel good. And I say, alright then, let me try and see what gonna happen for me and all of that. So that's the thing. I just see him did it, the boiling sun. I try to get contents together and all of that. And I just admire him for that. And then I say, why not? Let me just try it. Because it's fun and I love it. So let me just try it. And the last question is, have you ever gone through bullying? Bullying? No. Nobody never bully me. I mean, people try, but it don't normally work out. Because me soft in the butt, not like that. Nobody can really bully me. So no. But if somebody out there go through bullying, like talk to somebody, get a mediator, and don't do nothing wrong, don't do nothing negative, just get a mediator, talk to them and all of that. So that's basically it, guys. Thank you for dropping your questions, and hope you stay for this video and the other video to come and help me to build my channel. Thank you, guys.